what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna get my paddle shifter sorted because, as you guys know, it just doesn't work. So I'm gonna go get that sorted, and this has been something that's been long overdue. So I'm finally getting it done. I do have the shifter with me, so it's in this box right here. We got the shifter. If you guys are looking for a dash cam, make sure to check it out on my website. It's in the description, or shopbrudda.com. Go, 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 go. Fucking hell. Some people don't know how to fucking drive, bro. But anyways, if you guys are interested in this sort of content, do let me know, because I'm switching it up. This is more of a vlog POV kind of style video. It's a bunch of everything today. So I'll show you guys what I mean. So we're driving. If I put it in manual mode, downshift to second, the upshift doesn't work. As you can tell, it's not going up in gear. So I'm gonna go get that sorted. So we're inside the city of London, I'm pretty sure. Look at these buildings, bro. It's so busy. It's genuinely so busy. Like, there's people everywhere. People going to work. Like, I did not realize how busy, like, central London is, bro. It's actually crazy. But anyways, we are about 23 minutes away. My CarPlay doesn't work because I spilled Coke on it, so I don't know how I could fix that. Moment of truth. They finally said the right one. Get this out of the... Oh, we have the right ones. Take a look at this. Is this the right ones? Yeah, they're right. Yeah, we're gonna fix the shifters today. Ooh. Oh yeah. The shifters have gone in. Oh, where's the old one? Where's the old one? It's right here, right here, right here, right here. Let's do a comparison real quick. Oh, I am pressing it.
Yeah.
You can't hear shit. And then this. No, that's crazy. No, that's actually crazy. I'm so excited to try this out. Hit this guy up if you're in London for any repairs. He's got you. I can't get too excited yet because we don't actually know if the shifters work. We know it works, but I'm not giving myself false hope. That's what it is. I can't be too excited just yet. So we'll try it when it gets in the car. Oh yeah. I have my shifters. I'm actually so excited. It's too hot to show my excitement because I'm gonna start like balling with sweat. So right. I haven't had working shifters forever since I've owned this car, which is crazy because I bought it off a dealership. Boot was fucked, shifters fucked, engine's fucked. Engine's still gonna be fucked. So
but new shifters though.
New shifters though.
Imagine you're washing your car, yeah, and you have to put your windows up, yeah, and it's like 35 degrees outside, and you're just there in a sauna.
Oh no, I've been through that. When my Audi S3 last year, I literally have videos when me and Adam we were recording those videos. I literally had no AC. Alright, moment of truth.
Moment of truth, mate. Go on, good luck.
Alright, let's hope the airbag doesn't blow my face.
Oh yeah, I'm in the danger zone.
No, I'm in the danger zone.
Yeah, but I'm like right next to you, and like you could get knocked out and then like headbutt me.
Ooh,
oh
AC's
yeah.
On. Okay, no airbag explosion just yet. So moment of truth, guys, moment of truth. I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna first downshift because my downshift has always worked, and then I'm gonna try upshifting. So let's open this as well. Okay, well, that sounds nice. Wait, we need to shift up. Oh yes, I am so gassed, bro. You have no idea. Oh my god. Oh, the speed bumps, it's okay though. Oh my god, I'm about to get a heart attack. My heart is bugging out. No way! It works! I'm so excited. Oh my god. Yo, I'm so gassed. You actually have no idea, bro. Let's try it again. Oh my god.
About damn time!
Oh,
let's go!
I'm so gassed. There's no way it works, bro. Okay, so we're gonna hit a cold start on this beast as well. That's gonna sound crazy. I literally dodged, bro. What the? That made me flinch. That is so loud. you can probably barely even hear me. That is crazy.
That is mad.
You know, that actually made me jump. That is mad.
Why don't you get something like this and make it like a project car, mate?
Should I get one of these as a project car? Let me know, let me know. Not as loud as the E46.
Yeah, not
E46 actually made me jump. So we are currently taking the car for a test drive and show you guys from the POV what it looks like to drive this car. I'm gonna turn off the AC and I'm gonna, because the AC is gonna turn on noise suppression and you won't really hear. It's so hot. You guys need to subscribe for that, bro. Like I genuinely want you guys to enjoy the experience. So put that in Sport Plus, whack it in Sport Plus. Little doggies, I'm gonna be quiet because of the doggies. He's looking at me like, what the hell is that on his head? Oh, it sounds so crisp. I'm actually so excited to actually do a launch control, because I've never done a launch control. I've never been able to upshift, and I finally can. Oh my god, that is absolutely nuts. There's width restrictions down there. We are not going through width restrictions in this wide ass car. Everyone's a bit thirsty. Gonna whack that in comfort. My radar's going crazy. But it's so hot, genuinely. I think it's like 32 degrees or something outside. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, because so much is coming out. I've said that always, but finally, like, everything's done on this car. You know, I just did an upshift because in my head I'm like, my upshift doesn't work, so there's no point, but it actually does. That's crazy, man. So excited, man. You guys have no clue how happy I am.